I'm gonna add a little thing to that.
Oh, okay.
Shay called me, Mom, I'm just so nervous for you to see the room. And I'm like, what? I'm your mom. Everything you do, I love. Why are you so nervous?
I don't know, you're my mom.
I'm not nervous.
I'm at my parents' house. This was one of my very, very, very first projects ever when I started my path in interior design. And they had this empty room that was just framing for years over their garage. And I wanted to give them a furnished bonus room. So my mom's out for the day and we're trying to get everything installed and ready for when she gets back. I am like trying to figure out how to do the artwork in here because the ceiling is all sloped, you know? I had originally thought like in one of these little, I like that there. I think it's cute. Let's see it also maybe like on this side of the drapes. Oh, that's cute too.
That's really cute.
Maybe. Okay, I'm gonna have you guys hold them both up at the same time. I don't like them on both sides. I think that side is really cute. What do you guys think?
I love the special moment over there.
Yeah. So let's do those two over here and then this one here. But I think it's so cute.
It's so cute.
I'm gonna go try to steal something in my parents' other room. I'm just basically pillaging from my parents' other rooms. I think this will be cute over here. Designing a project for your family is different than designing for a traditional client. In my case, family is a bit more trusting, which is awesome. However, it also means that I'm not like drawing up CAD plans. I'm here to tape things out and saying like, hey, that looks good. It creates a more like organic process, which is fun, but it also means I come here today and I'm like, oh, I think I need a couple more things to add to get it just right. So pros and cons. Okay, the trunks are a yes. That's very cute there. Well, I owe my parents a nightstand, I guess, over here. I think I want to change this light. I love the floor lamp, but it's feeling a little repetitive with the sconces. So I think I need to change it for something that just has a different material on it, maybe like leather or woven. I think the leather's gonna be the best. Let's do that one. And then a bench. I think I need the stripe, you know, like the Target bench. I feel like the blue ticking stripe could be really cute with the storage. There's one left at American Pork.
He's gonna make it to tennis.
Shay's a really good designer. She comes with a really strong plan. My dad doesn't want arms on the chair. No arms for guitar. Well, 'cause you want to sit up. So it's like, it really shouldn't be deep because then you're like this, you know? Well, I don't know, I don't play guitar. But I think that the Target slipper chair is gonna be the best comfortable chair. I thought the paneling was going to be enough to make it feel like you had something on the walls, but I'm dying for something over here. I just need a console and I think we'll be good. We're close. It looks great. We just need more things. It's almost complete, but not quite finished. I have a few more additions to just really round out the space. So I sent the team to go grab those at our warehouse, but it's feeling really good. And then my family's coming, my mom is gonna come check out the space and we'll be revealing it really soon. think I need to steam these. Let's try to steam them and place them while we're steaming them. Okay. This space is all about gathering together as a family, hanging out, and creating little areas that people can kind of do different activities but all be in the same room together. It's a long open space that needed some careful consideration when space planning, and we decided to create 2 areas. One was ping pong, and then the other is lounge, hangout, watch TV. The ceilings were the challenge of designing this room because we have a strong slope and kind of a low pitch, which creates a really cozy and cute look, but it also means we cannot hang anything on these long walls. So we decided to do paneling. I wanted to do a paneling that kind of broke up the wall space. So we brought it up with just like a little bit of a gap so that you get a little relief before the ceiling starts to slope. And then did a contrast trim everywhere. I think that that warms up the space and keeps it from feeling too white, but keeping that like nice soft cream on the ceiling helps just feel light and airy in this space. I kind of struggled because they wanted a TV in here and we don't have a tall wall. So what we decided to do was hang it on the only flat part of the space, and then because it is hung a little bit low, I did a bench that helps ground it. I mean, it's not the perfect look, but it helps make sense of the TV. And then really the focus is all what's happening behind me here. We opted to do carpet in this space for a few different reasons. One, because this is over the garage. My parents live out just outside of Park City and it gets quite cold, and so the carpet felt warm. It was a nice insulating property, but also because of the sound. We wanted to not have it be echoing, and it really tells you that this is just a casual hangout space and you can have kids like roll around and play, and that's exactly what they do in this space. Oh, I don't know.
Push the home button or the back button, like the button.
Does anyone know how to change frame TV artwork? You do? I don't know where the remote is. Oh. It's on a wire, so it won't be difficult.
Okay. Does it need to be centered?
Yes, it needs to be centered. Okay, it looks great. It is very good. Oops. Did you? You got me so good. Will you go get the other girls and tell Mom to come up? Yeah. She has been waiting. She waited.
We're ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Are you girls ready to take Tam Tams in?
Yes.
Okay.
Ivy's gonna lead you in.
Okay.
Come on in, Tam Tam.
Hey, open your eyes.
Oh my goodness. Shay, when you say transform, it's transform. It's beautiful. I always am so amazed by you.
So you kind of have like a little bit of a vestibule area here, so we created an entry. And then on this side, added a sofa, some chairs, lots of extra seating. What do you think about this one, Ives? It's very cozy,
yeah.
huh?
This
Feel
is
how
going to
soft
be a
and
snuggle
cozy?
chair.
It's so
You know
cute.
it.
And a round ottoman, no sharp corners. Then brought in like the moss green sofa and try to kind of do this like neutral green
But it all adds
and blue.
warmth again.
Yeah.
I love that.
And then I love this little side table between the chairs. It's like a reddish marble. And I feel like it's not something you would have picked like on your own, but I feel like it's the right modern kind of balance.
Oh, I love it.
And then Dad's guitar corner.
Right. It looks really cute over there. They'll have good times.
He peeked in here before you saw, and he was really happy with it.
He called me right away. You are going to love it. And I do, Shay.
Our style overlaps in a lot of ways.
Because we're similar.
My mom tends to like very like soft, neutral, more traditional, feminine, and I do love that, obviously, but I like to do a few surprises.
Yes.
And so I feel like I pushed a little bit like with the red marble table. But I would say that there's more overlap than disconnect.
Yeah. She gets me. So
I don't know.
She does. But it's very cozy, and that's what I want too. So we can be all together in this room.
Oh, I hid the ping pong balls right here. Marky, you see the chair?
She's got her
Try
own little
Look, here's your
chair.
ball.
Oh, easy, Smokey.
Whoa.
Hey, like your serve, come down on it.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm the scorekeeper. Serve. There we go. 1-1. Oh, Marks wants to get in too.
Oh, she tricked you. Good job, Ice.
Keep it going, keep it going.
Good job, Mom. Good job, Ren.
Oh yeah.
Can you hit it to me?
It's hard.
She doesn't want you to take the ping pong ball.
Throw it.
Aren't those
Go.
pretty?
Lovely.
Hey, do it. Do it.
It's just like a
Do
little
it.
seal.
Hit it.
What do you think about this, huh? Yeah. In all the upcoming updates to my home that we'll be sharing really soon, my mom sees all of those first and weighs in.
That's what I said. I love that
Usually
she
has
tests
an
my
opinion.
opinion.
Yeah.
Oh, I have an opinion.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
but that you still call your mom.
I do.
And ask.
I
I
do.
love it.